Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best sandbags. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Yes, For All Sandbags for fitness. This Yes For All sandbag, which has a maximum weight of 125 pounds, is perfect for anyone who's ready for a tough workout. The outer bag is made from durable 1000 denier, coated Cordura nylon, and it's water resistant with a heavy-duty zippered closure. The 3 inner bags have double hook and loop closures, and the outer bag has 7 handles, making it easy to hold on to whatever your workout takes you. I've been dropping people's elbows on this bag every day for a week and it looks brand new. Why the hell would you pay double for a competitor's bag, when you can get this bad boy for half the price? Excellent quality and value. It may be a bit unconventional at first, but you'll quickly realize that it's a fun way to get fit while enjoying the great outdoors. The Yes For All sandbag is the first product of its kind designed to build strength and stability in a whole body. Rather than focusing on a single muscle or group, it allows you to train your entire body to build strength, stability, and endurance at once. It helps you achieve various goals quickly and effectively, whether for everyday training, strength sports, or competition. You can choose from multiple colors and sizes to suit your fitness level and personal training needs. Number 2. SKLZ Super Exercise Sandbags. Straight away you can see that the SKLZ is a bright and attractive looking bag. The SKLZ Super Sandbag has been designed to allow fitness enthusiasts to use the bag in many different ways due to the way that the handles are easy to grasp and good for grappling. The bag includes 4 inner sandbags, which 10 pounds of sand can be packed into each. Fitting these into the durable outer shell is a little tight, but it just about allows you to fit them all in for a total of 40 pounds of weight. The kit has been designed to resist the movement of 40 pounds of sand in all directions, and this should be enough for many fitness and CrossFit enthusiasts. This workout sandbag might not be heavy enough for bodybuilding, but a bodybuilder might still use it for toning or a cardio routine. Its sleek profile also makes it good for runners. We highly recommend this bag for fitness or CrossFit enthusiasts looking to up their game, and also sports athletes trying to improve their explosiveness. The durability will allow for a lot of multifunctional utilization in various scenarios and positions without having to fear any tearing. Pros: durable and affordable. Easy to use with filler bags included. Ideal for developing explosiveness. Abrasion resistant. Cons: might be a little too lightweight. Number 3. Brute Force Strength Training Sandbag. The sheer amount of weight that this is claimed can carry, 400 pounds when fully weighted, may sound like it is reasonable for strength training and making serious progress in your workouts. Previously, the toughness of the bag was also second to none, and fitness enthusiasts loved the flexibility that it offered. But unfortunately, recent results of our testing of this company's equipment has been very unsatisfactory. They are available in a wide range of colors and options, and the soft grip handles are a great addition to help to protect your hands from any abrasions. The added reinforcement in the bag allows you to add as much weight as possible. It is designed so that when dropped, the bag will have no chance of tearing. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind that the bag is up to standard. It is worth noting that, unlike many other bags, this is not waterproof. The bags are available in a wide range of colors. Furthermore, it includes multiple filler bags, and these weighted bags can be used to increase or decrease the mass, thus also making it great for multifunctional weight training and CrossFit routines. The multifunctionality is impeccable, and for most this will offer you extreme workouts for many years to come. Number 4. GarageFit Heavy Duty Workout Sandbags. The heavy-duty workout bag from GarageFit has been designed to make sandbag exercise easy in indoor and outdoor conditions or situations. The training sandbag has been constructed from durable nylon material, and the nylon stitching has also been doubled up. These double-stitched nylon areas will make extra sure that it doesn't tear or sand does not leak through, and it also adds to the overall durability of the bag. With 7 soft grip handles, it will be possible to do multiple different weightlifting, sandbag training exercises and CrossFit exercises with ease. These handles are also padded to ensure that no chafing occurs and that you have a comfortable full body workout experience. The workout sandbag comes in a variety of different sizes from 30 pounds all the way up to a maximum weight limit of 120 pounds. But even the smallest bag should be efficient for home use and the average person. Furthermore, the bag is also waterproof, and while this might not be impressive to all, it's nice to know that this can be used in the rain outdoors. Pros: durable outer shell, double-stitched, added liner to stop leaks, waterproof. Cons: not recommended for dragging. Number 5. Meister Elite Portable Sand Kettlebell. If you're new to sandbag training or you're looking for an inexpensive addition to your home gym, these sand kettlebells from Meister Elite are a nice choice, ideal for performing traditional kettlebell exercises such as swings, squats, presses, twists, pulls, curls, and get-ups. They're constructed from heavy-duty PVC material that makes them extremely durable and leak-free. The semi-rigid handle and comfortable neoprene grip are an improvement from traditional kettlebells, with printed instructions on the bag. Filling it with sand and sealing it is easy and quick. They also fold flat when empty, so they're convenient to bring along on vacation, especially if you're headed to the beach where you'll have access to plenty of sand. What's more, its one-piece construction ensures that it's durable and won't leak sand. It's also a great option to have alongside the more typical sandbags, as between the two of them you'll be able to achieve a highly comprehensive workout. Pros: heavy-duty PVC construction, comfortable neoprene grip, fold flat when empty for portability. Cons: small weight range, bulky when full. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.